Shweta. I'm a backend engineer in fintech where I work on large-scale payment systems and spend a lot of time dealing with real-world failures in production. I've also given technical demos, talks and live demos which has helped break down complex systems simply. I think my creative strength is in how I approach problems, how I don't try to build features, I try to remove the steps entirely. Most of my ideas come from working with real-world systems and asking, why does this step even exist? If money wasn't a constraint, I would build a persistent memory layer that helps people never lose context, not just in work, but in life. This is personal to me. A lot of what we do every day, conversations, decisions, small learnings, get lost across tools and we end up repeating work or losing important context. I would build a system that continuously captures and understands everything you interact with and turns it into structured, searchable memory. So instead of asking, where did I save this? You can ask, what did I decide about this last month? And get a precise answer. The goal is to extend human memory and reduce the mental overhead of remembering so people can focus more on thinking and make better decisions. And this thinking reflects in how I build as well. For example, I whiteboarded and built a better clipboard manager called Clipteams, a small tool to reduce context switching while working. It automatically tracks clipboard history, lets me quickly access anything I've copied without breaking flow, and it's a simple tool, but the idea is the same: reduce friction and make workflow feel seamless. So let's move on to the demo and see how this works. Thank you.
Help. Raise your hands if you've copied something, then copied something else, and then lost the first thing. All of us, right? Because Mac only remembers one thing at a time. And ClipD fixes that. Multiple keyboard slots and running quietly in the background, and the same Command C and Command V, which you already know. So moving on to the demo, suppose if I have some sort of data and I have to put a summary of this. In the normal use case, I would be copying each of this value and pasting it in the other summary sheet. And that's a lot of context switching. So, or otherwise, you could just use this tool and copy once, copy twice, copy thrice, do 4 times, and take it here once, twice, thrice, and I could go on and on up to 15 to 30 slots. And you could use this for job applications, copying paragraphs, copying multiple paragraphs in a single sheet and pasting it. It also supports smart paste, and smart paste is something like, suppose if I'm a developer and we have some unstructured JSON, and I want this as a structured JSON. So you just copy that JSON, press Control Shift V, and then you'll have a structured JSON right here on your fingertips. And it is as simple as Control Shift V. And if you don't want to remember all these slots, there is also a GUI which actually stores all your paste. It uses SQLite so that your data never leaves you or to any cloud as such. And you can always refer to what data it has been and how long it was. And over time, as you use this tool, it will start grouping sessions and it will start showing you all these pastes. It also supports specs. So you can just type something right here and it will show you all your pastes. And also it supports smart paste, just like how I showed you with the JSON right there. You could do all of these settings and or multiple themes as well, just for readability. It also supports TUI. So if you don't want the GUI and you're a developer and you want it in your terminal, you just press Ctrl R and you get the same data right here. So that's all about ClipD. Thank you.